Okay, I'm at the lake with my first mate, Melinda B, and we're gonna go check out the boat for the very first time on September 1, 2016. So let's go see what it looks like. All right, we just found it. We had to walk through 2 different docks to find it. Now we're not absolutely positive this is our boat, but we're pretty sure.
It is.
And it's got water right here, which kind of concerns me. There's water inside. Can we see water inside? Let's go aboard and find out. Start from here.
Hold on, I need to get some glasses. It's bright.
Future's so bright, you gotta wear shades on the V. We are organizing the first mate, Sister Melinda Baker of True Love is now organized.
Let's clarify that is the name of the boat.
Yeah.
From the previous owner.
For the previous owner, True Love. Yeah, that's the name of the boat, right? True Love is the name of the boat. Is now. Should we rename the boat?
Well, yeah.
What would be a good name for the boat? You think?
I don't know.
Nephi?
No.
Alma?
No.
She's getting. We've kind of gone through everything. We went through the V berth. We haven't gone through everything, but we've figured some things out. We've mopped up some water. We have, checked underneath things. Looks like we do need to get some work done, but we don't know what, and we don't know where. So this is going to be an event. This would be an investigating adventure. I kind of semi figured out how to use the toilet, but I don't know exactly how to clean everything out. We need to probably keep that down someplace safe. Which would you want? The red?
Well, whatever's in the next tote.
All right. Here, let me set this down for you guys. I need to bring my GoPro down here and film.
Okay, we got 3 empty totes. The red, the yellow, and the blue.
I'm not sure if this is on a tote.
Do you know what these are?
Huh?
Do you know what these are?
I don't know what those are now.
I'll stick them in here.
Okay. We're going to keep this thermos down here and fill it with ice. And cold water. Right here. Okay, you want to spread out the life jacket?
Well, I thought we... Oh, on all the cushions?
Yeah, so they... And then this is
Well, why don't I just put them on?
this is a pump. This is a pump. Or pull them up. This is the pump in case we go under, or something. We have to sink. So
John,
what?
what about just flipping the cushions over?
I guess. I mean, I don't know why we couldn't. I don't know why we can't. See that?
It's cut this way.
See that stick down there? That's actually called a tiller.
Uh-huh.
Put that somewhere up. Put that somewhere either in the V berth or up high. That is an expensive piece of equipment. Good call. Good call, Sister Baker.
Okay, hand me the yellow tote.
All right, hold on. Sorry, guys. Got to set you down again. Oh. All right. I think we might need this for spraying stuff down. Where's your cleaning supply stuff? Where's your cleaning supply?
On the bottom.
On the bottom, okay. that is our power to our plug it in. They give us power with our membership. So we just plug it in and we're in the boat, and then we have lights, electricity, air conditioning.
Okay, I'm putting it in here with the lines, with the bag of lines.
Okay.
Are you gonna remember that?
I probably not, but you will. Right? Good job of using the vocabulary.
And your tools are right here.
Okay. Alright. I'm ready to go. I'll just get everything back together. Yeah, I was thinking that might just save it for the waters.
All your seals are up there, your lines, and your
We'll have to bring up a mark. You need to bring down a Sharpie or mark on.
That's exactly what I was thinking. Mark.
I'll let you do that. Here's me. Oh, bring the cushions from outside. All right, guys, I gotta let you go here. We'll get you back in a second. All right, guys, one thing we're doing before we leave here, we're gonna actually take the signs down because it is our boat. And I probably should keep them so when we sell it, we have signs. But there's one. And then